welcome to PS channel. Today I am going to make a pocket. First we need a square paper. Fold the paper corner to corner. Fold the bottom corner across to the middle of the opposite edge. Turn the front of the top flap over the flat edge. Turn the paper over and take the remaining point across to the angle on the other edge. Fold the paper forward the other top point. Put your fingers inside the object, open out the cup. So you can see the pocket is ready. You can keep things inside and you can play with it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Please subscribe to our channel.